are also 3 years old, as Mr. Mohan said about Reliance Life Insurance. A lot of you may not know Fullerton India Credit. We are a company that is owned by Temasek through Fullerton Financial Holdings, 100% owned by them. At this point of time, in fact, we have more than 800 branches and disbursed over 4,000 crores of rupees through these branches. We are a very highly branch-led distribution strategy. We are incorporated as an NBFC under the RBI. We are not a bank. We are a non-banking financial company. Our primary businesses are lending and insurance distribution through as a third-party provider. So broadly, if we divide the information needs of our company, we would define them in terms of performance trends, which helps us to forecast what could happen in the future and take actions based on our predictions. And as far as our information technology infrastructure goes, it is geared towards providing three kinds of information to largely three different sets of users. One which is very transactional and line by line, record by record, detailed listings for people typically in a back office type of situation doing reconciliations or any of that kind of function. Then there is a fairly large group of middle and senior managers who need summarized information but grouped and sorted and sliced and diced and all kinds of different views of that same information but seen from different perspectives, and I'm sure each individual brings a different perspective to that, so it should be easy to realign or reformat the information that they view. And finally, especially in our kind of business, there is a strong need, and as we grow and as we have become a more mature company with a fairly large portfolio at this point, there is a need for more advanced analytics based on statistical algorithms and scoring models and so forth. So these are largely the three categories of information management needs, and our technology needs to provide that kind of support for all three requirements. So what we have done so far, largely we have addressed the first two blocks that you see here, which is the transaction information and the summarized information, and the third one is something which is just now getting off the ground as we have started to mature as a company. So on the first two, largely our infrastructure is built around ClickView, and we don't have too many other components, especially as regards business intelligence overall. And we started with Team Computers and Rajendran, as Mr. Mohan mentioned, back in 2006. So it's been about 2.5 to 3 years now. And we have found solutions provided from within ClickView for both the detail-oriented, long listing type of requirements, as well as the slice and dice dashboard type of requirement. And both of these are addressed through the same basic data mart infrastructure.
We just signed up our 10,000th customer in the month of December 2008, and that was Deloitte. And also, I'm very happy to progress the relationship with Team. As you all saw, we have over 110 customers along with the Team in India today, and I think we all have to thank Ranjan, Rajendran, who's not here, and of course Jatin and all the other people at the back of the room who have really supported ClickView, and of course all our customers in India and worldwide who have taken us to where we are today.